Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to virtual learning. I hope you are fine, students. Today is your first lecture of Islamic studies in grade 9. I wish you wonderful year ahead in 9th junior. We have done first 4 lessons of Surah Anfal from ayat 1 to 28. Now we are going to start Surah Anfal, lesson 5. Board reduce your syllabus, students. In 9th class, now you have to do the Surah Anfal from ayat number 1 to 48. Total 48 ayat we have to do. Surah Anfal 48 ayat. Okay. So in 9th junior we did 1 to 28. So today we will start from ayat 29. Today we will do from 29 to 34 ayat. Okay. So Surah Anfal. Infal means spoils of war and or booty. This Surah Anfal is mostly about the Battle of Badr, because this was the first battle in the history of Islam. So the Muslim soldiers, they had the problem about the spoils of war. So Allah revealed this ayah or solve this problem. Moving forward to the next. Now students, we are going to translate the ayat number 29 of Surah Anfal. Students, open your books in front of you and you can write the meanings of the words on here your book. Okay, take your pen or pencil and you can write the meaning of the words. Now we are going to start. Ya ayyuhallazina amanu. Ya ayyu mean O allazina people amanu who believe. You can also say like this one, O believers, or you can write O you O believe. Okay. In tattakullaha, in if tattakullaha, you tattaku, you fear Allah, yaj allakum, yajal, Allah will grant lakum for you furkanan, criterion, vayukafir, and remove ankum, from you, sayyati, evil deeds, your evil deeds, wa, and yaghfir, forgive, lakum, from you, and forgive you, wallahu, and Allah, zu, possesses, fazli, infinite, azim, grace. Allah possesses an infinite grace. Now we are going to repeat this ayat. Ya ayyuhallazina amanu, O believers, in if tattakullahu, if you fear Allah, if you will be a true believer, pious person, tattaku, the Muslims who fear Allah, they call the pies from taqwa, who have the taqwa, who fear the Allah. So yajal lakum furqanan, so Allah will grant them a furqan criterion, mean Allah will make them superior. Then, with the help of this criterion, they can make the difference between right and wrong. They can understand this is right, they have to do this one, and they will avoid from the bad deeds. Wayukaffir, and will remove ankum from you, sayyatikum, and Allah will remove from the pious person their evil deeds. Wayaghfir lakum, and Allah will forgive you. Wallahu, and Allah zu fazli azim, and Allah possesses, and Allah is the honor of great grace. Moving forward to the next. Here, students, we are going to do the translation of ayat number 30. Wise, and when yamkuru bika, wise, and when yamkuru, plotting, planning, bika, against you, allazina, people, kafaru, disbelievers. And when the disbelievers were planning against you, liyus pituka, to confine you, or yaktuluka, or yaktulu, slay ka you, or slay you, or kill you. Yaktulu means slay or kill. Or yukhriju ka, or drive you out. Vayamkuruna, and they plan. Vayamkurullaha, and Allah plans. Wallahu, but Allah, khairu, is the best, makirin, planner. Now we are going to revise this ayat. In this ayat, Allah addressed to the Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Allah said to Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, "O Muhammad, why is yamkuru bika?" And when the disbelievers were planning liyusbituka, to confine you, or yaktuluka, or slay you, or yakhrijuka, or drive you forth out of your land. They want to drive you out from the land of Makkah. Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, after becoming the prophet, so when Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam start the preaching of Islam, so people of Makkah, many of Prophet's relatives and his friends became against the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So they were planning to confine the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam or kill the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And some people gave the decision, it is advised that they should drive the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam out of Makkah. Okay? So Yamkuruna, and they plan. The disbelievers were planning. Yamkurulaha, and Allah was also planning. Wallahu khairun makirin, and Allah is the best of planners. They were planning, mean the disbelievers were planning their own, and Allah was devising his own planning. And Allah's device is the best. Going on to the next. Now we are going to translate ayat number 31. Ayat 31. وَإِذَا تُتْلَى عَلَيْهِمْ آيَاتُنَا. وَإِذَا and when, tutla recited, talawat from talawat recited, alayhim to them, before them, ayatuna over ayat, over revelations, over verses, qalu they say, qad samina we have heard, law nasha'u law if, nasha'u na noon mean we, nasha'u if we wish, la kulna we can also say, misla haza we can also say such words, and in haza if these mean the revelations, illa asatirul awwalin. In haza, they say these ayats are nothing illa except asatiru, tales or stories, are awwalin. Awwalin mean of the people of old age or people of the ancient times. Now we will repeat this ayat. Allah said in this ayat, وَإِذَا تُتْلَى عَلَيْهِمْ آيَاتُنَا, and وَإِذَا tutla, and when recited, alayhim before them, ayatuna when our ayat are recited to them, kalu they say, who the disbelievers say, qad samena we have heard, lo nashau we have heard these ayat before. So if we want la kulna misla haza, so we can also can speak such words, such ayat. In haza illa, these ayats are nothing illa satirul awwalin, but these are the stories of the people of the ancient time, the old times peoples. These are the stories. Moving forward to the next. Ayat number 32. Wa is qalu Allahumma, and when qalu they said, Allahumma O Allah, in kana if this is, haza huwal haqqa if this is, haqqa is the truth, min from, indika from you, if this is the truth from you, mean this Quran is the truth from you, if it is true, from the, so showers or sent down, alayna on us, hijaratan stones, then showers or sent down on us stones, minas samai from the sky, Atina or bring to us, the azabun punishment, alim severe. We repeat this ayat. Wais kalu Allahumma, and when they said, O Allah, when the disbelievers said, O Allah, in kana haza huwal haqqa min indika, if these ayat, this Quran is from you, if this is truth, so famtir alayna hijaratan, so as a punishment, shower or send down upon us stones from the nasamai, from the sky, or Autina, or bring on us, azabun alim, or bring to us or give us azab, punishment, alim, severe or painful, or give to us some severe punishment. Moving forward to the next. Ayat 33. Wama kana Allahu, but Allah, Wama and not kana Allahu, Allah, li yu'azzibahum, to punish them, wa anta, and you were, fihim, among them. Wama and not kanallahu, way of Allah, muazzibahum, to punish them, wahum, and they, yastakfirun, and they could seek, yastakfirun, forgiveness. In this ayat, Allah addressed to the Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, wama kanallahu, that Allah was not going to yuazibahum, punish them, punish the infidels of Makkah. Wa anta fihim, and you were present among them. When Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam was present among the kuffar of Makkah, so how can Allah punish them? How can Allah punish them? Wama kana Allahu, and this is not the way of Allah, muazibahum, that to punish those wahum yastaghfirun, who could seek forgiveness. Allah will to give them time to stay away from wrong and accept the faith. It means that Allah wanted to give disbelievers chance that maybe they leave their evil deeds and accept religion Islam. Moving forward to the next. Now we are going to translate the ayat 34. وَمَا لَهُمْ أَلَّا يُعَذِّبَهُمُ اللَّهُ وَمَا لَهُمْ أَلَّا يُعَذِّبَهُمُ اللَّهُ, and why not punish them, Allah, wahum, and they, yasaduna, they stop, an masjidul haram, from mosque, sacred mosque. Wama kanu, and Wamakanu, and they are not Oliya, justified guardian, in Oliyahu, its justified guardians, illa, only, Muttakun, only the peoples who have fear, who fears Allah, only those peoples are the guardians of mosque, sacred mosque. Walakinna, but aksarahum, most of them, la yalamun, do not know. Now we are going to repeat this ayat. Wama lahum. In this ayat, Allah say, why should not Allah punish them? Why should not Allah punish the disbelievers? Wahum yasaduna, and they were stop the Muslims and Masjidul Haram from going to sacred mosque that is in Makkah. Wamakanu Aliya, and they are not the justified guardians of masjid, of mosque. In Aliyahu, its justified guardians are Illal Muttaqun, are only those men who are righteous. Righteous mean who are truly Muslims, wise ones only. Walakinna aksarahum la yalamun, but most of them do not know. Okay, so the justified guardians of Haram is only the true Muslims who fear Allah, so not the disbelievers. Moving forward to the next. Thanks students for watching and paying attention. Today we did the 6 ayat of Surah Anfal. So you have to revise all these ayat. Okay, revise again and again, and you have to, then you will able to write the translation. Okay, next 3 ayat left of this lesson, 35, 36, and 37, and words meaning and exercise. Inshallah, we will do in our next class. Okay, so students, thanks for watching and paying attention. So I will see you in your next lecture. Till then, take care. Bye bye.